Hello everyone. Start to the second lesson, instruction set of 8085. The next topic discuss arithmetic group instruction. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic means add, subtract, then more than mathematically operation performing this arithmetic group instruction. The first add, ADD. This is add register to accumulator. This is a single byte instruction with operand placed along with the opcode in the code byte. The operand can be register or a memory location pointed HL register pair using by the add. Then next one is a ADI, means add immediate to accumulator. This is a 2 byte instruction. The first byte gives opcode and second one is a byte is itself 8-bit data using the ADI, immediate to accumulator. This immediate data is added to accumulator contents. Result is stored in the accumulator and all flags are modified. Then next one, third one is a ADC, means add register to accumulator with carry, means this also is a 1 byte instruction. The operand which is placed along with the opcode in the code byte can be either the register or the memory location pointed by the HAL pair using by the ADC. Then execution of this instruction, contents of a operand and carry flag are the added accumulator to the result stored in an accumulator. Then fourth one is a ACI, means immediate to accumulator with carry. This also is a 2 byte immediate addressing mode. The instruction it is executed, the 8-bit data is added along with the carry to accumulator contents are result the stored in a accumulator. Then next one, sub means subtract register or memory from accumulator. This is also a single byte instruction. When executed, works on expect that is a this case memory or a register. Then subtract from the accumulator and the contents of a source and or flags are modified to the reflect result of a subtraction. Then CY flags is a complemented after subtraction. Then next one. SUI means subtract immediate from accumulator. This instruction is also a 2 byte instruction. It uses the immediate addressing mode. The first byte gives opcode and second byte gives immediate data. This performing is a subtract immediate from accumulator. Then next one, SBB means subtract source and borrow from accumulator. Then this also is a single byte instruction. It subtract contents of a source and borrow from a accumulator contents. It is a 2s complement subtraction. Result is stored in the accumulator and all flags are modified according to the result. Then next one, SBI means subtract immediate with the borrow. This is a 2 byte instruction using by the immediate addressing mode. The first byte is opcode and second byte is a 8-bit immediate data. The immediate data and borrow is subtract from the accumulator contents. It is a 2s complement subtraction. The result is stored in an accumulator. मीन्स तुमचा रिझल्ट कुठे स्टोअर होणार आहे, प्रत्येक वेळेस तर ॲक्युम्युलेटरला तुमचा स्टोअर होणार आहे रिझल्ट. तुम्ही कोणकोणते ॲरिथमॅटिक ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करणार आहात, तर ॲड करणार आहात, बॉरो करणार आहात, कॅरी करणार आहात, ते आपलं मॅथमॅटिकली झालेलं आहे. सेम वे आपण तसं ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करून ते आपलं कुठे सेव्ह होणार आहे, तर ॲक्युम्युलेटरला तुमचा तो डेटा सेव्ह होणार आहे. देन INR means increment contents of a register memory by 1. This is a single byte instruction. When executed, the contents of operand are incremented by 1. All flags except carry flags are modified. The operand can be any other register or a memory location pointed by a HL register pair. Then next one, DCR means decrement source by 1. This is also a single byte instruction. When the executed will decrement the content source by 1 and all flags expect, carry or modify the source can be any register or memory pointed by the HL pair. Then next one, I and X means increment register pair by 1. This is a single byte instruction which when executed increment the 16-bit contents of operand register pair by 1. No flags are affected. This called as a extended increment. Then next one, DCX means decrement register pair by 1. This also is a single byte in extended decrement register. It decrements the contents of operand 16-bit quantity by 1. No flags are affected. Then next one, DAD add register pair to H and L register. This also a single byte instruction. It adds 16-bit contents of specify operand to 16-bit contents of H and L register are pair using the add register pair by the H and L. The result is stored in H and L register pair. Only carry flags is affected. Then next one, DA. DA means decimal address accumulator. This is a special arithmetic instruction. It adds binary contents of accumulator to 2 4-bit BCD digits. This is the only instruction which uses carry flags for the code adjustment. The CPU uses the flag internally and all flags are modified to the reflect the result of a execution. Then using by the BCD code. BCD means binary. Binary code आपण यूज करणार आहोत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बायनरी नंबर, बायनरी टू डेसिमल, डेसिमल टू बायनरी, देन हेक्साडेसिमल टू बायनरी, ऑक्टेल टू बायनरी हे आपण तुमचं 11th झालेलंच आहे. देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, illustration and programming exercise. 3 number addition. Write an assembly language program to add 3 numbers stored in a consecutive memory location starting from the 1005H and store the sum in next memory location. Means for example तुम्हाला एखादा प्रोग्राम दिला गेला तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही काय काय कोणकोणते ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करणार आहे ते आपण बघितलं जातं की कोणकोणते ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करणार आहे. आपण त्याच्यावर ॲडिशन करणार आहात, सबट्रॅक्शन करणार आहात, मूव करणार आहात, एक्सचेंज करणार आहात, इन्क्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट असे आपण ऑपरेशन मोर दॅन परफॉर्म करणार आहात. देन नेक्स्ट वन पॉईंट, लॉजिकल ग्रुप इन्स्ट्रक्शन. द लॉजिकल ग्रुप इन्स्ट्रक्शन फर्स्ट पॉईंट ANA means logical AND with accumulator. This is a single byte instruction which carries out logical AND of the contents of operand with the contents of a accumulator. The result is stored in accumulator itself. Using by the 8-bit quantities are defined the 8 operation on respective bits. These 8 operation are independent. Then next one, ORA, logically OR with a accumulator. This single byte instruction carries out logical ORing of the contents of operand and contents of a accumulator. The result is stored in accumulator itself. Flags are modified according to the result AC and CY. The flag are reset. Then next one, XRA means exclusive OR with a accumulator. This is the 1 byte instruction. It makes X or the operand contents with a accumulator. That result is a store accumulator. Then flags are modified. Then next one, CMP means compare with a accumulator. This is a single byte instruction. This instruction compares the contents of the operand with the contents of accumulator. The contents are preserve the result comparison and setting the flags are affected. Then next one, ANI and immediate with the accumulator. This is also 2 byte instruction. It uses immediate addressing mode. The second byte acts as a 8-bit immediate data. Then next one, ORI. ORI means immediate with the accumulator. Same way, this is a 2-byte instruction, and first byte, this is a operand, and second byte is immediate 8-bit data and store in a accumulator. So immediate with the accumulator. This is again a 2-byte instruction using by the immediate addressing mode. The second byte, which is the immediate data, is XOR with the accumulator content, the result for the store in a accumulator. Then CPI, compare immediate with the accumulator. This instruction is the 2-byte instruction. Utilization immediate addressing mode. The execution of this instruction is very much similar to the CMP instruction. The only difference being the CPI instruction, the immediate data is compared with the accumulator. Means compare कशाला करणार तो त्या accumulator जो data store केलेला असणार तुम्ही त्याच्यासोबत compare करणार. Then CMA means complement the accumulator. This is a single byte instruction. When executed, this instruction complements the accumulator contents. The result is stored in a accumulator itself. Then next one, CMC means complement carry. Means this also a single byte instruction. When executed, it complements the carry flag. No other flag are affected. Then next one, RLC means rotate accumulator left. Means this is a single byte instruction. It is used to rotate each binary bit in accumulator to left by one position. Bit D7 is placed in bit position D0 as well as carry flag. Then next one, RRC means rotate accumulator right. This is also a single byte rotate instruction. It is used rotate each binary bit in accumulator to write by one position. Bit D0 is placed by the bit position D7. Same way. Then next one, RAL means rotate accumulator left through carry. This instruction is also a 1-byte instruction. It rotates each binary bit of accumulator left by one bit position through the carry flag. Then next one, RAR means rotate accumulator right through carry. This is an instruction which rotates the accumulator contents to one bit position right the carry. Then the point are completed arithmetic operation and logical group instruction. Thank you students. Keep watch my video.